Today, I'm going to show you how to create a button with a form in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your forms more visually appealing and less intrusive on your page layout, as visitors can simply click a button to access the form whenever they need it. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and projects. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites you've created. Click on the specific website where you want to add this button with form feature. This will open up the editing interface for that particular site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now, on the left side of your screen, click on Website. This will expand a menu with several options underneath. From these options, click on Pages. This section shows you all the pages that currently exist on your website, making it easy to navigate to the exact page you want to edit. You'll now see a list of all your pages. Select the page where you want to add the button by clicking on it, then click Edit. This opens the page editor, allowing you to make changes and add new elements to your page layout. With the page editor open, select the section where you want to place your button, click on Add Block, which will bring up a variety of block options you can add to your page. From the list, click on Form. This inserts a standard form block into your selected section, which will now transform into a button. Next, click on the pencil icon on the form block. This opens the form's editing options where you can customize its appearance and functionality. Navigate to the Design tab at the top of the editing panel. This is where you'll find all the visual customization settings for your form. Within the Design tab, find the option labeled Lightbox and enable it. This is the key step that transforms your form from a static element into a button. Once you enable Lightbox, the form will automatically convert into a button format. Right under the Lightbox option, you'll see button text where you can customize what the button says. Change this to whatever makes sense for your form, like Contact Us or Sign Up Now. Once you're done customizing, click Save to apply all your changes, then click Exit to close the editing panel and return to your page view. Now try clicking the button you just created. When you click it, the form will appear in a Lightbox overlay, keeping your page clean while still making the form easily accessible to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully created a button with a form in Squarespace, giving your site a more professional and streamlined look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.